Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Friday, the 28th of September, 2018. It's the last school day in the month of September for this school year. Taking a look at our homework for this evening and for the weekend, for that matter. In math, Module 3 quizzes on Monday. You need to study. You can use the optional study guide that we got or the different resources that we showed you in your textbook. Remember, if you forgot to bring your textbook home, you can always access the online textbook at my.hrw.com. In science, we have a measurement test on Tuesday. Please use your notes to study over the weekend. That can be found in Google Classroom. In social studies and language arts, there is no homework. In literature, we've got our Chapter 9 work, which most of you should have gotten done either during class or warrior time. You also need to study your vocabulary words from Seed Folks for your test that is next Friday. One special announcement that we do have is, remember, this evening there's free admission for all to the varsity football game against Buckeye Valley at Copeland Field at NISS Stadium. Join Ontario as we celebrate the fall senior athletes, watch the Warriors take on the Barons, and stay for a fantastic fireworks display after the game. Once again, that is free admission to tonight's varsity football game that begins at 7 p.m. Have a great weekend. Go Warriors and go Bucks.